What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your remote on your 2020 Chevy Malibu.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom of the remote. Now on the left side of the remote there is a button that you're going to push in, and then the emergency key will come out. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we are going to split this remote in half, and you're going to need a flathead screwdriver to help you do that. Now the way I do this is right here where the emergency key goes inside of, I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver right here. I'm not going to jam this all the way in like this. I'm just going to use maybe a 1/4 inch of the end of it, put it in here like that, and I'm going to pry the remote. Okay, you see how it's split? And just take it apart like that. The back half of the remote is what holds the battery, so we'll go ahead and pull the battery out. What we'll do is just pry it out, and it will come right out and get a new battery. And here's our new battery right here, and the size is a CR2032. I'll leave a link down in the description box below if you want to pick up some batteries. It just takes you to Amazon. If we notice that on the front of this battery there's a little positive right above the size, that positive is going to be face down. We put it in to the back of the remote, and then we just get the other half and we just sandwich these guys back together. Okay, everything will kind of click and we're all done. Let's get the emergency key, slide it in there, and that's it. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed.